Hello friends, how to make a B2B purchase invoice. First of all friends, I would like to explain you what is B2B purchase bill. B2B stands for business to business invoice. This means you will receive the B2B invoice from the party who have GST number, and ITC input tax credit will be available for you against the tax which you have already paid during the purchase to your supplier. There are two types of B2B purchase invoice: interstate B2B and local B2B invoice. So let us see friends how you make these both purchase entries. On this front window you will find all the purchase entries from to date. To make new purchase entry, click new button. Date will come automatically as per our system date. Then turn term credit or cash on the behalf of our purchase bill, if we have paid money or not. If it is credit purchase, then we will select our supplier account against this purchase to create a new party account. Here we will press the button F3. Firstly, here we input customer name, like I will put here as the Rainbow Healthcare Agency. Print name come automatically when you press the enter key. We have made it to very simple. A person with 0% knowledge of accounts or can operate this software, because he may not know who is my sundry creditor or sundry debitor, but he know who is my customer and who is my supplier. So he can easily define it here. I choose supplier here. Then address of this supplier, like I will put here ABC. Here you can put X, Y, Z. You can put any address which you have of your supplier. After that you will put the city name of our supplier, on which you are his state code, like I put here the Punjab and state code, country, all the information you can put here. You can put the mobile number of your supplier, as well as you can put the landline number also, his mobile number, his email ID, contact person, all the information you can put here, and these all information are optional. After that, his GST number. If he has GST number, then you can put here. Otherwise, you will put the drug license number if he has any information about that all columns. Otherwise, you will save this transaction, and you can see automatically come back to the same window. Now we will choose the purchase type, because this party is our local from Barnala. So now we will choose it as for a local purchase B2B. Now you are come in this box of item. So when you come this box in item name, friends, here you can see the list of your items. This is showing here, and after that we will select our item from here, and we will press the F4 key. In the item box we will press the F4 key. You can, with this key you can search your items in this box. You can search with the item name, you can search with the company name, and you can also search with the salt wise. After this box you will go to batch number. Select batch here. All the batches you selected created in item master will appear here automatically. So many times there will be new batches. So here we can create a new batch with the press F3 key. You can create the new batch number here. His the expiry date of this batch, the MFG, all information you can put here. You can make the new batch number. Then item has been input to our purchase bill. Now we can see, we select item here. In our window we can see all the details of this item, like what is the price, how much tax applicable on this item, what is the expiry date of this item, and how much stock is available on our stock for this item. Now after select the batch number, we will go to quantity box. Here we will press the space bar, but first we will take the quantity, then we will press the space bar. You can see here the box of scheme. Offer some schemes on medicine, like if you purchase 10 items, then you will get 3 items free. We put here the 20 items we are purchasing, and we are receiving the 5 quantity as the free. It will take automatically. You press space bar at the time of quantity, and you press space bar, you will find this yellow window here, in which you will input scheme quantity and free quantity. And we have add one more item, so on the bottom of this window you can see detail like what is total quantity. After press the enter key, it will take automatically the price of your item, the total basic amount and the tax amount. It will take automatically, and it will calculate all the calculation will automatically calculated by the software. What is the total taxable amount, what is the CGST, SGST, what is the discount. After adding all items, we will click save button. If you want to print the bill, then you can print it from here, otherwise you will save the item. So in this video we will discuss about the B2B purchase. So in this video we will discuss about B2B purchase. Friends, in next video we will discuss about B2C purchase.